Hi, my name is David Lee. I'm a student of Dr. Tran here at TVE. I'm here to talk about my back pain. I have a lot of sharp pains in my upper back part, inhibiting me from turning my neck to the right. This had carried on for over a year, leading into lots of headaches, a lot of cloudiness in the mind. It starts every day around 11 o'clock, and it'll last until probably before I go to bed. With the pain, it causes a lot of effects for me in my day-to-day life. It causes a lot of headaches, and with the headaches, it gives a person, or gives myself, more of a cloudy judgment, because you're more focused on something, more focused on the headache rather than the actual situation that you're working on. So that had caused some poor judgments, because you're not exactly focusing what you need to be doing, but rather than just the pain. I was told it could be the amount of activities or stress or amount of time I've spent focusing on computers or just constant thinking. A lot of times you're kind of slouched over, arms rested on a desk, fingers on a keyboard, your arms kind of awkwardly positioned to hold a mouse. And a lot of movements in an awkward position can trigger some unnatural movements, leading into pain. It causes problem at work because, a lot of times you're not always presented with great news. A lot of times you're presented with bad news. In my role at work, I have to make the right decisions on how are we going to address the issues and move on in a more effective way. Try some painkillers, try to do some traditional stretching that I've learned. After minimal results, I started seeking chiropractic therapy. I spent a lot of time with the chiropractor, approximately 2 to 3 times a week. There was some effect during therapy, however, it was very short. It would probably relax the pain for 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, it would kind of revert right back to where I started, either from residual pain from the night before or first thing in the morning. It would kind of just reset, and typically reset around late afternoon. So starting class here at TVE, I think it's given me a great cure for my issues. In approximately 30 to 45 days, I can honestly say my pain had completely went away. Spending the amount of time here allowed me to not just remove my pain, but also enhance my mobility. So my posture is different. The movement of my neck is completely different. Feel so much more energetic and refreshed. Dr. Tran is an excellent trainer. He spends a lot of quality time in training you on how to get your technique correctly. Sifu told me to give it some time, follow the practices and exercises, and just simply allow time. Some of the TVE techniques in the warm-up has allowed me to move and stretch in places that didn't think was actually there. Also, some of the techniques are completely different or completely new to me. Once trying those, definitely have given me a very positive effect. I would definitely recommend this program to other peers out there. I think it's one of those programs where you really have to give it a try to see the exceptional results. Definitely would be highly recommended for me. Thank you.